Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're delving into the graceful world of Asparagus Plumosus Setaceus, commonly known as lace fern or asparagus fern. It is a popular ornamental plant appreciated for its fine, feathery foliage. But before we explore this botanical beauty, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Despite its common name, fern, it's not a true fern, but rather a member of the asparagus family. The plant is well known for its versatility, often used in floral arrangements and hanging baskets for its graceful and cascading growth habit. Asparagus fern is native to South Africa. In its natural habitat, it thrives in a variety of conditions, from open woodlands to rocky areas. Over the years, it has become a popular choice for cultivation in gardens and as a houseplant in various regions around the world due to its adaptability and attractive appearance. This fern-like plant is celebrated for its feathery arching stems covered in tiny needle-like leaves. With its cascading habit and airy appearance, the asparagus fern adds a touch of charm and natural beauty to any setting. It is known for its resilience and ornamental value, making it a standout in the world of botanical wonders. To successfully cultivate asparagus fern, it's essential to provide the right growing conditions. This plant thrives in well-drained soil with bright and direct light. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring moderate watering and a humid environment. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and avoiding direct sunlight are crucial for its well-being. The asparagus fern adapts well to hanging baskets, containers, in both indoor and outdoor settings, bringing a touch of grace to your living spaces. Its distinctive appearance and relatively low maintenance growing requirements make it a sought-after choice for plant keepers. If you found this exploration as enchanting as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Until next time, may your plants thrive and may your encounters with asparagus fern bring a touch of grace and natural beauty to your living spaces. Farewell and happy planting.